We're custom designing these systems for your home's needs and for your living lifestyle.
We provide project design in-house for all of your energy needs.
We decided to enter into that world because it's not found in electrical contractors like it should be. We're learning daily on new programs, energy management systems, battery backup systems, solar systems to be able to better serve our clients today.
The industry has really evolved in the last 5 years is adding on-site battery storage for your home.
Some of the other services that we offer at Gubruds that a lot of people don't know are renewable energy services, mostly solar, batteries, and energy management systems, plus backup systems like generators. Batteries are also a backup system. We're custom designing these systems for your home's needs and for your living lifestyle.
What sets us apart from the other companies out there is that we provide project design in-house for all of your energy needs.
Education is huge for us because being a family-owned business and not the large solar companies that are out there selling these services, we're there after the systems are installed. We're there to actually service the systems after it's installed. To date, we actually have some really neat installs on solar, batteries, and energy management systems combined in one system. An example of some of those needs of our clients, we had a client who works from home, and he was not a candidate for a battery backup or for a generator backup system because of the location of his house. So they wouldn't allow him to put a full standby generator system in. There's noise ordinances and space issues where we can install these pieces of equipment. So we designed the system for his home with a solar system and a battery system that he could pretty much live off grid if the power grid went down.
That's how the industry has really evolved in the last 5 years is adding on-site battery storage for your home, which the nice thing about battery storage, it gives you two things. It gives you backup to your home as well, and it also helps with when the sun's not there in the wintertime, your power is still being used on site because you produce some sun there at some point of the day, even in the wintertime.
Now, we're not going to be the company that are going to install thousands of systems. We're going to install them for customers who want a custom system for their home with the best possible service after the system's installed.
Like I said, the truth of it is we're being forced to look at providing and producing our own energy for our own needs for every individual home because we cannot be reliant on our state's power grid. We have plenty of products to adapt to your specific situation and your energy needs in your home. And then we take it one step further we will provide the installation and the service and the maintenance from here on out. We've been here for 30 years and we will be here for the next 30 plus years.
I hope you learned something in this video.
And feel free to reach out to the Gubruds team. We'll see you next time.